Alright, so this video is going to be about the 3 things that I see what most guys are doing wrong in the gym. Okay, 3 things I see what most guys are doing wrong in the gym. Now, I've been lifting for over 10 years now. I'm 25 years old. I've been lifting since first year high school, so grade 9. Grade 8, honestly, I've been lifting since, weight room, high school. But pretty much what it takes, or what I've seen from guys that when I go to the gym on a daily basis, I go to the gym pretty much every day. What I see what guys are doing wrong, what skinny guys are doing, what fat guys are doing. I'm just gonna say what I see in general, what guys are doing wrong in the gym. Okay. All right. So the first thing, number one, what I see what guys are doing wrong in the gym is they prioritize form way too much, way too much. When I started getting into the gym, I didn't focus on form at all. I was just trying to lift as much weight as I could without getting injured. That was my whole philosophy of fitness, right? Try to lift as much as you can without getting injured. That's pretty much the goal, right? If we can lift as much weight as possible without getting injured, then in my opinion, that is better than having 100% perfect form, hitting that full range of motion, right? That full squeeze, but not lifting as heavy, not really tearing down all those muscles, right? Muscle fibers, tissues, whatever, right? So, I see guys, I see skinny guys, in the gym, right? They come, oh, mama, let me, you could get a way bigger dumbbell, right? You can get a way bigger dumbbell and just just go harder in the gym. Like, just go harder in the gym, right? Like, I just see a lot of guys, in the gym, especially a lot of skinny guys, they just don't go hard enough in the gym, right? So this would be my first point. Number one, they just don't go hard in the gym. They just don't go hard in the gym, right? So a lot of you guys, right, that lift, and if you don't see a lot of progress, this could be the reason. You just don't go hard enough in the gym. That's really all it is. You don't lift like a maniac, right? You focus way too much on this stuff, like, I gotta do 4 sets of this, I gotta do 3 sets of this. Oh shit, no, 3 sets. I heard this guy say only 2 sets of this builds muscle. Oh shit, I heard these curls don't work. Oh shit, fuck, man, I didn't get perfect form. Oh man, shit. Like, if you talk like this, like, the guys that talk like this usually are the guys that usually don't look good. The guys that just go to the gym and lift to lift, right? They don't really care about all this bullshit. They're not really into this, all this, like, different sets builds different muscles, or different exercises for 5 different exercises for the same muscle group. If you just cut all that out, man, and you just focus on lifting heavy, I mean, you will, like, just 10x your growth, right? I don't know, I only know like 3 sets, 6 to 8, boom, done. Just go lift. All right, so you don't lift hard enough in the gym. You need to lift harder in the gym. This is what I'll give any skinny guy that's trying to get bigger. Just go harder in the gym, man. Like, really stop focusing on all this, like, propaganda is what I would call it. Like, you gotta do this certain amount of sets if you want to build muscle. You gotta do these certain amount of this certain amount of curls if you want to get your biceps big. You gotta do it like this, or you won't hit the muscle group. Just lift heavy, bro. Just lift heavy. Lift heavy. Get your protein in. That'll be my number one advice. Okay, so that's the first thing I noticed. Guys just don't go hard enough in the gym. The second thing I've noticed is guys put way too much emphasis on the gym and not enough emphasis on the diet. I'll give you an example, guys. I didn't really start seeing progress into my physique until I started actually prioritizing the diet. I mean, you can go to the gym 7 days a week, 2 hours a day. If you don't put the freaking nutrients in your body, you're literally just wasting time. You're genuinely just wasting. You just go in for the fun of it. I mean, yeah, you can do that. That's fun to you, I guess. But I mean, I wanted to see results. So when I started actually putting more emphasis on the diet, like actually studying what carbs do, proteins do, fats do, all this shit, that's when I started actually seeing major improvements in my physique. All right. So if you really want to see a major improvements in your physique, just go study nutrition and really start paying attention on the diet. It's probably a really, really big advice I'll give you. Okay. So that's number two. Guys neglect the diet and they put way too much emphasis on the training. Training is only like 25% of it, guys. Most of it, I mean, any guy that's big and jacked will tell you this, right? The diet is what drives everything. If you don't have the diet, you're just wasting your time. Generally, just wasting your time. You're better off just sitting at home, to be honest. The third thing I realized that guys, fuck up on in the gym is they just underestimate how long it really takes to get big, or how long it really takes to get lean, or how long it really takes to put on muscle. They just underestimate how long it really takes for the body to change. Guys, unless you're on, some anabolic steroid, you're not gonna make huge improvements to your physique in weeks, months. It's gonna take like 6 to 8 months. Like you see my transformation. That shit didn't happen month 1, month 2. No. It started happening like month 3, month 4. When I started seeing, significant progress. Like I started seeing my chest get, carved up. You know what I mean? I started seeing my shoulders get broad. I started seeing my fat come off my belly and shit. I started seeing my face get leaner and shit. I didn't see that shit like month 1, month 2. No. I started seeing that shit like month 3, month 4. So if you're into this, I'm gonna start my fitness journey, bro. I'm gonna get lean. I'm gonna get muscular, bro. That's just not gonna happen until like month 3, month 4. Month 1, month 2 is just really just gonna be like a test for you. Think of it as like a test. Unless you're on some crazy plan, or you're, like I said, you're on some gear, then fuck yeah, maybe you should. But month 1, you'll see improvements. But a lot of guys just underestimate how long this shit really takes, how long it really takes to build physique. Think about it like this, man. How long did it take for you to get overweight? It took pretty long, right? You didn't just start eating donuts and shit for 1 month. No, you were eating that shit for months and months, right? So how long do you think it's gonna take to get lean now? Months and months. So don't think you're just gonna go to the gym and get 6-pack abs, lean, muscular, broad shoulders, all that shit. No. It's gonna take some time, bro. It's gonna take some time, and it's gonna take some dedication, man. But if you can stick to a plan, for 6 months, oh, boss, you are going to get in good shape, and it's gonna last forever, right? Think about what I said before, man. You only need to get in shape once, and then you pretty much have the shape forever. All right, so those are the 3 things that I see, guys make mistakes on. First thing is they don't go hard enough in the gym. Second thing is they neglect the diet. And the third thing is they underestimate how long it takes to actually make significant changes to their physique. So these are 3 things that I generally see what guys don't really understand about the gym. If you need help with your physique, of course, I'm always willing to help. You can either click the link in my YouTube bio, or you can DM me on Instagram and I'll help you out. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm trying to get really, really consistent with this. And yeah, peace out.